Learn more on web development, web application development in Zambia, web development company in Zambia, web developers in Zambia and web designers in Zambia. We provide all kind of custom designed websites, web portals and web applications, and Keith Rains is a leading web developer based in Zambia. We use state-of-the-art technology, innovative systems and validated methodologies to ensure our solutions are ready and scalable in the future. Web development in Zambia. We have an excellent team of experts in web development in Zambia who constantly innovate and carry out innovative ideas to turn website designs into a gold mine for your company. We offer the below web development services in Zambia. Custom application development in Zambia. We employ cutting-edge technologies to build customized web applications in Zambia which are stunning, robust, secure and scalable. In order to ensure flexibility and faster delivery, we follow agile development methodologies in Zambia. PHP development in Zambia. Laravel CodeIgniter Zen 2 Symfony YCake PHP Node.js development in Zambia. Express, JS KOA, JS Meteor, JS Socket.io Mean, JS Sales, JS. Net development in Zambia. ASP. Net Windows Azure Silverlight Ruby development, Rails Python development, Django CMS development in Zambia. We are specialists in the creation and growth of web content management systems in Zambia. We monitor and evaluate market trends and collaborate with your business needs to develop a perfect CMS system for your company. WordPress developers in Zambia. Joomla developers in Zambia. Drupal development in Zambia. Typo 3 Umbraco Kentico.net Nuke e-commerce development in Zambia. We are developing custom e-commerce websites in Zambia which would make you stand out from your competitors. We know how to do that best from our experience of developing more than 10 e-commerce sites in Zambia. Magento 2 development in Zambia. WooCommerce development in Zambia. Virtumart development in Zambia. CS Cart development in Zambia. BigCommerce development in Zambia. Shopify development in Zambia. PrestaShop development in Zambia. OsCommerce development in Zambia. OpenCart development in Zambia. ZenCart development in Zambia. UberCart development in Zambia. Volution development in Zambia. MeanStack development in Zambia. An all-stack JavaScript solution that uses MongoDB to create high-performance, very scalable web applications. Express is back-end web frames, AngularJS is front-end frames, and Node.js is back-end runtime environments. MongoDB development in Zambia. Express.js development in Zambia. AngularJS development in Zambia. Node.js development in Zambia. Social media apps development in Zambia. Our social media features include real-time, reward and loyalty posts, competitions, polls and more. Promotional development in Zambia. Contests development in Zambia. Quizzes development in Zambia. Real-time messaging development in Zambia. Surveys development in Zambia. Rewards and loyalty programs development in Zambia. Let's talk about what we can build together in Zambia. Whatever your needs, be it simply developing your website, complicated web-based application development, e-commerce, mobile app growth, a logo, brand design, video production or a full-scale digital marketing campaign in Zambia, we have a solution for you. What's the best solution for you? Will you need it? If you learned something from this video, give it a like to support me and subscribe.